In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off a bad debt in Xero. Managing bad debts is an unfortunate but necessary aspect of financial housekeeping in any business, and today we'll walk you through the process in Xero. First, we'll navigate our way to where you need to begin by logging into Xero accounting software. Head over to Xero's login page and type in your email and password. Once that's done, click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, which acts as your home base for financial data and operations. Next, we want to navigate to where invoices are located. So from the dashboard, click on Business, which can be found in the main navigation menu, and then select Invoices from the drop-down options. Here you'll see all the invoices that are currently in your system. We're looking for invoices that are sitting in an awaiting payment status, so go ahead and click on Awaiting Payment. This will filter out all the other invoices, leaving you with ones that have yet to be settled. Now that you have the list of unpaid invoices, identify the particular invoice you wish to write off. Click on this invoice to bring up its details. Once you're on the invoice page, look for three dots, usually indicating a menu of further actions. Clicking on these dots will present you with the option to create and apply credit, which is exactly what we need to do to write off the bad debt. In the next screen, you'll want to change the account code to bad debts. This step is crucial because it ensures that the credit you're creating is categorized correctly in your accounting system. You also have the option to adjust the tax rate here if necessary. Tailoring these settings according to your specific needs or business practices is always a good idea, so take a moment to make sure everything looks right. Finally, your last step is to click on Approve. By doing so, you're confirming all the changes you've made, effectively writing off the bad debt and applying the credit note to the invoice. Your financial records will now accurately reflect this adjustment and better represent your real-world business situation. There you have it. Writing off a bad debt in Xero is now a skill you can confidently add to your accounting toolkit. Handling such tasks efficiently helps maintain clarity in your financial records and can significantly assist in reporting and forecasting. Thank you for following along, and always remember to double check your entries to ensure accuracy. We hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel more equipped to manage your accounting tasks in Xero. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.